Okay, seniors, this is the guidance office, but everybody else, this will be good for you too, because in the following years you'll know what to do. But come on into guidance. We're going to talk about scholarships, and in our back room here we have a wooden box full of scholarship stuff. So when Mrs. Gazelle gets a phone call and an organization says it's time for us to start our scholarship process, she makes a paper copy of it and she puts it in this wooden box alphabetically. This is a nice place for you guys to start because you can pull one out and you can see, do I qualify for this? If you do, then you can take it and kind of look over the application. Also in this wooden box, if you're going to ask teachers for letters of recommendation, there is a form in here, and it is a gold form. Looks like this. And you fill this out and you attach your resume, and then you go to a teacher at least 2 weeks ahead of time and you say, can you write me a really good letter of recommendation? And you give them this because it tells them what you want them to write about. Is this a scholarship about financial need? Is it leadership? Is it your academic ability? What is it? So this tells the teacher so that the teacher can focus on that when they're doing your letter of recommendation. The very first time you should give them at least 2 weeks, and you should hand it to them in person. You shouldn't throw it on their desk, you shouldn't put it in their mailbox, but hand it to them in person.
You can find scholarships on the school website.
So here is our website, ssccardinals.org. And what you need to do is go up to schools, and you go down to high school, and you go to departments. Once you click on departments, you will see guidance and scholarships. You click on that. Then you scroll down, and down here, Mrs. Gazelle has all of the scholarships so that you can click on them and start typing, because all scholarships should be typed, not handwritten unless it specifically says so. And then make sure you save it to your own desktop before you start typing. And then you print it out and you bring it in to either your counselor or Mrs. Gazelle. That letter of recommendation I showed you, the gold sheet, if you would rather type it, it's also right there for you to type. Anything in red you can click on. Some of them are forms that teachers need, some of them are forms that you need to. While we're on this website, there are other financial aid websites up here and test prep websites. So you seniors, you soon will be doing the FAFSA to see if you qualify for any federal aid, not just scholarships that are below. So there's that link. You all should have a PIN number by now. Bottom line is, if you have any questions at all, you need to get into the guidance office, talk to your counselor, talk to Mrs. Gazelle.
Seniors, remember scholarship deadlines are coming up soon. This is David reporting for Channel 92 School.